Side, we have a 10 cottages. Anyway, big cottage is under repair. We have a reminder, please, kayaking is not allowed under the big cottage or bridge po. Dito po siya. Avoid sa kaya, you can kayak the beach one, the beach or around the island. Okay, after that, passing the bridge, you find the gazebo. Front office, souvenir shop, business center is located. Dito po yon. And then if you don't have a towel, available at the front office, only 50 pesos. Towels po yon. After they use the towel, please return at the same place. Sa front office pa rin. And then we find the restaurant, billiards, and that's a karaoke and tennis. Right now, we are here in the recreation area. So, billiards, dart, table tennis, video okay, it's free. Part of your package po yun. And then we have the game, Wii Games Room po, extra payment na po yun.
Ayun, kayak, kulit-kulit yun.
Sir, makakarating tayo dyan. Ito muna tayo sa master. Excited naman si sir. Tama, 5 minutes yung orientation ko, 15 minutes. Okay, and then last start 12 p.m. until 2 p.m. So, we have a table po tayo dyan sa dining area at you have a designated name. Example, Wang po. Find your name na lang po sa dining area. Yung mga taso na. So, after that po, we have a reminders inside the dining area. Please do not smoke at the dining area. Second, please do not enter dripping clothes or wet cloth. And then third, please do not wear swimwear attire. Sa dining area lang. Swimwear sa ano po, sa beach or around the island, pwede tayo mag-smoke except lang sa dining area. Okay, this is the smoking area and then the main bar po. Pagka sa food area po, may mga guests kasi na hindi nangyaygarilyo. So, later po na, ano lang natin, for our safety naman po yun. So, after that, hot tea and hot coffee is free. Part of your package, beside na po sa buffet area. And then, alcoholic and non-alcoholic po, extra payment. Sign your bill. After that, you see it upon your checkout na lang. So, and then, we have a pool court po, basketball court and lawn tennis. All equipments available at the Marine Sports Center. So, kung gusto niyo pa ng locker key, changing room, restroom, equipment, available po sa Marine Sports Center for free. And then reminders, if ever we lost the locker key, will be charged $20. Wow. Okay. After the borrow the locker key, $20 po ma'am. Nasa Pilipinas, convert na natin ng Philippine money, don't worry. Anyway po, after the borrow the locker key, drop by the front office, we have the attendant to keep your locker key. So, hindi naman. Kasi sometimes kasi the guest, pagkatapos ng hiram ng locker key, iiwan sa kayak, yung pala, tumaog yung tayo, makakalimutan.
Kung mawala yung attendant with our key, magkano bayad no?
Yung ano, sir?
Yung attendant at saka yung key.
Ay, depende po. Ako na yung number one attendant, depende sir, mahal ako. Joke lang. Anyway, after that po, sa locker key po natin, Marine Sports Center, we offer po Discover Scuba Diving, regular dive, certified dive, extra payment po yun. Kung gusto niyo po mag-diving. So, visual presentation, and then practice the pool, and then open water na. So, the price is 2,200 po per person. Okay. After that po, we have open hand and 3 cabanas. All the day 3 guests, we can stay until 3:30. Dito po sa open hand cabana. And then we have at least cabanas po dito. So, sa atin po yun. Anyway, 30 person na po tayo, pwede po tayo dito. At iina po natin, ilang books po tayo. If we have a mga beach bed naman dito, sa kanya, pwede naman po. So after that po, Marine Sports Center and between po sa gazebo, you find the bike station. But around the island po, is free naman po yun. So follow the cemented path lang. Ayan po yung cemented path.